So it's Sunday and you're like, I'm on that oxtail vibe, right? You go to the supermarket, you buy some oxtail and you try to make your kitchen come alive. You hit it with that dry rub, hit it with that browning, put it in your saute pan, give it a little mix, and add some water, right? So you give it a little mix, you add some water, and you let it simmer for like 3 or 4 hours. If you just want your oxtail to taste like the Jamaican store, you simmer it, and then you just add that extra vibe. You add some peppers, add some onions, add some thyme, add some green onions, stir, then you simmer it again. You let it sit there for like 15-20 minutes, and then you go back and you're like, oh my god, I'll never go to the oxtail lady again. Crazy chef, big